5 benefits of leafy greens. Leafy greens, including kale, spinach, arugula, and chard, are the undeniable superstars in the world of nutrition. Low in calories, yet high in fiber, vitamins, and phytonutrients, the benefits of leafy greens are incredible for your health in more ways than you would even suspect. If you still need convincing, I'm about to show you some of the benefits of leafy greens. Green veggies support optimal brain function. Do you want to support memory and reasoning as you enter your golden years? Eat your leafy green vegetables. A study found that people who ate the most leafy greens each day had slower rates of cognitive decline compared to those who ate the least. In fact, the leafy green eaters had the memory equivalent of someone 11 years younger. Leafy greens reduce belly bloating. If you struggle with bloating, it's likely caused by your diet, a hormone imbalance, gut infections, or other digestive issues such as a leaky gut, SIBO, or Candida overgrowth. I have a secret to tell you about how to get rid of belly bloating. You guessed it, leafy greens. Leafy greens contain high amounts of potassium, which is a mineral and an electrolyte. Potassium is essential to keep an optimal fluid balance in your body. Green leafy veggies make your skin grow. Beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A, is the plant pigment that we normally associate with carrots and other yellow-orange veggies. It is also hiding in leafy greens. Fall is one of my favorite times of year because the leaves change color. As they lose chlorophyll, the pigment that makes them green, you begin to see the red, orange, and yellow pigments that the green leaves contain underneath. It's these vibrant colors that are also responsible for the amazing health benefits of leafy greens. Beta-carotene can support a youthful glow in your skin and even works from the inside out as a natural sunscreen. Leafy greens relieve stress. A big green smoothie is a great way to start your day and relieve stress. Dark leafy greens are an excellent source of folate, which helps your body produce mood-regulating happy hormones such as dopamine and serotonin. Additionally, the magnesium found in leafy greens can help support cardiovascular health. Leafy green vegetables support bone health. Do you remember those Got Milk ads? They promised that by drinking a glass of milk every day, you'd have strong bones. However, it's important to remember that a large part of the population has a sensitivity or intolerance to cow's dairy. What's more is that research has shown that milk consumption has no protective effect on fracture risk and may even increase the risk of hip fractures among women. That's yet another great reason to ditch dairy for good. You can get plenty of calcium for optimal bone health from eating leafy greens. Green veggies such as broccoli and kale contain high amounts of all-important vitamin K, which promotes the formation of proteins that build bones and clots your blood.